going to do one experiment. I want to four things: glass, salt, and piece of paper and rubber. First of all, we will take one glass and paper. We will close it, cover it, and we will take one rubber. Now we'll take a salt and put it in the glass. We will put some salt on the glass. Speak slowly. Hello, 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 hello. It is not moving. Now we will speak loud. Hello, 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 hello. It is moving. Thank you. Have a nice day.